Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Wednesday, February 4th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. Start with this one. This is a weekly chart, goes back several years. Once again, 409.50, 408.33 on the daily chart, which you can see in the far right. Able to contain selling through February into the second quarter, and from here we can round up to 533.78 long-term chart resistance over the next 3 to 5 months. That is the big picture. 533.78 is a 6-year rising channel top that may contain annual buying pressures if or when tested. Downside, though, if we do close below the 408.33 to 409.50 area, just the opposite, we enter a 2 to 3 month sell signal down to 314.87, and that structure may well contain selling not only through the second quarter but even through the rest of the year. The structures on the daily chart look quite similar, and I'll show them right here. 408.33 if settled below. We've got 390.12 as a 3 to 5 day target, 371.64 as a 2 to 3 week objective, and once again, the 310s, 320s within 2 to 3 months, where profits can be taken on a short position that may be established with a settlement below 408.33. Now, holding above the 409.50 formation that I showed earlier will keep 449.21 in reach over the next week or two, and 487.15 in reach over the next 3 to 5 weeks. Upside today, I do have 434.75 that can contain intraday buying pressures, and if settled above, does signal a test tomorrow, Friday, of 449.21, where we could top out through next week, fall away again into the 409.50 region within a couple of weeks of doing so. We could trade inside of this zone for the next 2 or 3 weeks. But if we close above 449.21, a good February low, the following 2 to 3 weeks at the most, then likely to test that 487.15 extreme channel top, where we actually could top out on a monthly basis. That is to say, quite possibly through all of March and fall away. And finally, it would be a settlement above 487.15 that would indicate 533.78 within another 3 to 5 weeks. But as I've already said, holding above that 409.50 formation will, in any event, keep, where are you? 533.78 in reach over the next 3 to 5 months. So if you're more of a near-term investor, it is this low 400 region, 409.50, that you're bottom picking. If you're more of a 2 to 3 week swing trader, you're bottom picking 409.50 in anticipation of 449.21. And if you're more 3 to 5 weeks out, 487.15. You know, if you're 3 to 5 weeks or even 2 to 3 weeks, as we approach 449.21, you could take some profits and keep the balance for the settlement, perhaps above 449.21, and then we're anticipating 487.15, as I say, within another 2 to 3 weeks.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
Downside, once again, if we do happen to settle below 409.50, then that really should be on a weekly basis. If we close today below 408.33, certainly doesn't look good into later week, but it is really finally a settlement below 409.50 that clarifies 314.87 as a realistic 2 to 3 month downside objective. Until then, we can bottom out in the low 400s and rally by the end of the second quarter into the 530s. I think that pretty much rounds it out. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We offer 2 stock picks a week: daily NVIDIA, daily SPY, daily Triple Q analysis, weekly Apple, etc., etc., etc. So check us out. We offer a 14-day free trial. If you don't like what you see, after 14 days, you can bail at no cost to you whatsoever. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Thursday's Tesla report, and you have a great day.